Jaime, please introduce yourselves. Use as much of this, actually 5.5 minutes, we've managed to stretch it to as you can. And I'd just like to say that Jaime is with ALEM, but he will tell you more.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, David. My name is Jaime Ruiz. I come from the Murcia City Council in the local energy agency. And I'd like to introduce you briefly one of the most important projects that we are handling in our city council. It's called Roadmaps for Energy. It's an EU-funded project. And it aims to imagine and design the city that we would like to have in the future. And to create the methodology, the process that we have to follow to get there. This is an image of our partners, our colleagues of Palermo in Italy. And they have produced this image accordingly to the insights and suggestions of their local stakeholders in order to create an idyllic future, an idyllic city of Palermo. All partners in the project have created similar visions of our cities in the future. There are 10 partners in the project. Murcia is leading the communication and dissemination work package. The project is coordinated by Eindhoven. And we also have in Spain other partners like Sant Cugat del Vallès. And all the work that we've done in the project is about 3 main focus areas. Smart buildings, smart mobility, and smart urban spaces. And we've had to choose 2 out of 3 of these focus areas, depending on the particular needs of every partner, of every city. If I had to say what's what's the key aspect of the project, I would say that we have an interesting mixture of very motivated municipal experts, very committed local stakeholders, and of course we've had the support of our politicians, our policymakers. That undoubtedly it's crucial if we have to make our projects and actions viable or feasible. The core of the project is a very innovative and participative workshops that we've held during this 1.5 years. And in these workshops, we've proposed and we've shared ideas and suggestions about how our city should look like in the future and what kind of services and features we should include in this ideal city. To do so, we've put together municipal experts, stakeholders, and our politicians. And as we proposed ideas and concepts, we had an expert illustrator in urban scenarios that was transferring these concepts into images so that we can have a final image of how we want our city to look like in the future. And after a reviewing process, we moved from a draft version of our city in an image to a final vision, a digital image vision of our city in 2050. So this is actually the image, the vision that we've produced in Murcia in the smart mobility focus area, in which we've dreamed of what kind of features and services we'd like to have in the future. So apart from this vision, we've prepared a comprehensive report on explaining the concepts and the features that we would like to have in the future. So what is going to the process that we have to follow to evolve from this current situation right now to that idyllic scenario in 2050? Well, we are going to use roadmaps, and they are basically an arrangement of actions and projects with specific budget and resources, and of course with the support of our policymakers. So if we are able to follow these roadmaps with specific actions, put in a timeline with the support of our policymakers, hopefully will be capable to evolve from what we have now to that desirable city, desirable and idyllic city that we've dreamed of in the future. So that was basically what I wanted to tell you about my project, Roadmaps for Energy. And I would like you to invite you to check our website in order to extend more information, to get more, to know more about the project, but because I think it's worth doing the effort. So thank you very much, and thanks for your attention.
Jaime Ruiz, thank you very much indeed. Down to the second.